Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, April 7th, and here I am with some science for today. So, we all know that it was raining really heavy for several days last week, and I think we're getting more rain this week. So, it dawned on me that this was a good opportunity to talk about something I noticed the other day, and it really fits nicely into the science that we're working on right now. So I took Bailey for a walk and I noticed on the pavement. I first noticed it when I was walking on the pavement that there were little worms all over the pavement, sort of just crawling around and sort of had to be careful not to step on them. But then of course I took Bailey onto the grass and noticed that they were there as well. And it made me start to think about, why am I seeing worms after the rain? I know that the worms are there. I know if I dig it up, I can see that there are worms in the earth. Um, and every once in a while, I see them. But why is it that I see so many worms after it rains? Well, it's really a good question. So I did do. This is actually, in all honesty, not my video, but I was going to show you something of what it kind of looked like the other day when I was walking the dog at night. So let me just show you something here. So as I was walking, I'm on the grass. As Seamus pointed out, my grass is not that green just yet, but you can see that the worms kind of were going back into the hole. But they're just kind of, the whole worm was out there. And when I was walking the dog, it was very much like that. So I guess that's my question for you today: is why is it that after it rains, we see a number of worms come out of their hole, and they're on the pavement, they're on the grass? Why? Why does that happen? What do you think is going on? What do you think the reason is? Tell me what you think. All right, guys. So in the document I've attached in your Google Classroom, my expectation is that you go on and you comment what you think. I want to know what you think is going on. And why do you think this is happening? Why do you think we're talking about this as part of our unit right now? So I just want to start a discussion through this document, kind of like a Google Classroom chat, but just, I don't want to tie up the chat room a little bit. So I just put it in a document, and I'm hoping that you'll go ahead and take a look at that. Go in and type your name first, and then type in your comment about what you think is actually going on. So that's your assignment for today. Have a great day. If you have questions, reach out. And by the way, there's still several of you I need to touch base with. So come on onto my Google Meet, touch base with me, tell me how things are going, ask me questions. And if you're missing work, we need to get you caught up. All right, guys, I miss you. Keep working hard, doing what you're doing. Make sure you're checking online every day. And we're going to change the way we're doing science a little bit. So today your homework is very easy. It's watching the end of this video and putting in a comment on that document. Bye, guys. I'm sorry.